This house is one of the best in my Shah listing. Presenting to you this beautiful and newly refurbished bungalow with a swimming pool at Section 8 Shah. This house is strategically located near to Plaza Shah and the State Mosque. This house has a land area of 8,269 square feet and a build-up of 4,800 square feet. The house consists of 7 plus 2 rooms and 6 bathrooms. Come check out this beautiful bungalow. I love this swimming pool. It was actually installed during the MCO, so it's still very new. And this pool has an excellent filtration system where you don't have to perform regular cleaning. Your children and the family can actually hang out in these areas, and there's also an outdoor toilet in this section. And here at the car porch section, you can easily fit 6 cars. Just check out this beautiful space of the car porch section. As you enter the living hall, check out this huge space. This whole house has been refurbished from its floorings, ceilings, windows, wirings and plumbings. This house is really in a good condition. And over in this space, you got the private areas for your families together. You got the TV sections combined with the dining tables, overlooking the side gardens. And there's a lot of windows bringing in more lights and fresh airs. This is one of the biggest master bedroom I've ever seen. Over there, you can put multiple beds, and in these sections, you can put your sofas and watch TV in this spacious master bedroom. The balcony is super wide, covering from one end to another end, and the view is simply stunning, overlooking the swimming pool. This is a move-in condition house, and you don't have to spend so much money on the renovation, especially when the cost of material is so high. Good condition, big house. Give me a call, and I can't wait to show you this beautiful bungalow.